audits of the government buildings to determine feasibility for PV infrastructure installation. This involves a multidisciplinary team. First, we evaluate the structural integrity of the building. That's by documenting the structural elements, and then we have to put that through a simulation process to determine its resistance to hurricane force winds. The second evaluation is geometry and shading to determine what structures external to the building will cast shadows and impact the PV performance of a system on a rooftop. And the third element of the audit is the electrical inspection, where we go through all the circuit boards within each building and determine their integrity in terms of grounding, the electrical conductors, the circuit breakers that they are applicable for solar PV power injection.